Hello everyone, welcome back to you all to the Commerce Positivity lecture. In the previous lecture, we have already studied about the concept of motivations. Motivations as an act of inspiring, encouraging employers to devote maximum effort for the achievement of organizational objective. In today's lecture, we will be totally discussing about the topic process and importance of motivations. So let's start the topic without delay. So, the process of motivations. How an individual is motivated towards certain work. Now, let us study about the process of motivations. As we all know that motivation is a multi-step process. It is not a single activity. It includes a series of activities which should be done in a sequence. It consists of a motive, goal, drive, incentive, efforts, performance, satisfactions, and feedback. The process of motivations, as you can see, it is presented even in the figure. The first process of motivations is needs. Well, needs are the basis of human motive. These needs are primary need and secondary needs. Primary needs include food, clothes, shelter, air, water, sleep, sex, etc. Similarly, love, affection, status, prestige, these are included in secondary need. Needs of an individual varies according to time and situations. A manager must find the needs of subordinates to motivate them. Hence, understanding needs of subordinates is the first step of the motivations. Similarly, the another process or step of motivation is tension. Yes, of course, needs of subordinates create wants and cause tension. The subordinate feels a type of a tension in his or her mind to fulfill those needs. Ultimately, creates tension, generate motive and drive to do the assigned job within an organization. Similarly, another process we have here is behavior. Feeling of needs by a person cause to show a particular behavior to satisfy those needs or wants. Feeling of needs transfer itself into one as per the environment. A manager should understand the behavior of subordinates after identifying his needs or wants. Similarly, another process we have here is satisfaction. Yes, of course, the reward, incentive, and the promotions of subordinates achieved through performance to satisfaction. Similarly, the satisfactions of the employers helps to draw positive attitude toward the organizations. Once the needs is satisfied, it's evaluated. So, the another process of motivations is evaluation. The individual evaluate level of his performance, reward, and satisfactions to show future behavior. He decide his future behavior on the basis of such evaluation. The evaluations of an individual varies from one person to another. Similarly, once the performance is evaluated, he can even say in the feedback. So feedback can be also taken as the last process of motivations. The employers of an organization start to give their response and feedback toward the organizations as per the level of rewards, satisfactions, and evaluations. A satisfied employers give positive feedback to the growth and diversifications of the organizations. Yeah. Now let's study about the importance of motivations. What are the importance of motivations? Well, motivation is an important managerial function. It helps to determine the degree of individual performance. The skill of employers and the best working environment may be useless if the employers lack willingness to do work. They need motivation. The motivated employers are sincere, hardworking, and also helps in achieving the organizational goal. So let's study about the importance of motivations totally in detail. The first importance of motivations is higher productivity. Yes, motivation stimulates employers to work efficiently. It helps to increase the productions and productivity within an organization. Similarly, another importance of motivations here we have is proper utilizations of resources. Motivated employers do their work sincerely. This makes possible to utilize the available resources by eliminating the wastage. The physical resources such as man, money, machine, material, methods, market, etc. are properly utilized in an organization by the manpower. Similarly, creations of willingness to work is another importance of motivations. Motivations create interest and willingness in employers to do their work. Using their joy and enthusiasm, it helps to contribute maximum efforts to the employers for the attainment of organizational objective. Similarly, low employment turnover and absenteeism is another importance of motivations. Employers turnover and absenteeism are common problem faced by the organizations where employers lacks motivations. Motivations creates confidence among the employers. It leads to the job satisfactions and higher morals of the employers, which reduce employers' turnover within an organization. Healthy human relation is another importance of motivations. Motivations helps to build a good relationship between management and employers. The employers are invited to participate in the decision-making functions of the management. The act of disobedient demonstrations such as management, strike, lockout, etc. are not shown by the employers if they are properly motivated in an organization. It helps to develop a good relationship among all the employers within the organizations. Similarly, growth and diversifications is another importance of motivations. Motivation is an effective tool to achieve the growth and diversifications of the organizations. Motivated employers work sincerely and contribute maximum efforts for the success of the organizations. Thus, organizations have growth and expand where management has given top priority to motivate employers and keep them happy as well as satisfied. Similarly, another importance here we have is that improve skill and knowledge. D. Employers in an organization work to satisfy their personal as well as social needs. They try to be efficient as possible to improve their skill as well as knowledge. It helps to contribute to the progress of the organizations, which ultimately satisfy their needs. Thus, motivations helps to improve the skill and the knowledge of employers. I just hope you all understand the process and importance of motivations. In the next lecture, we will study about the planning, concept of planning, definitions of planning given by different scholars, as well as the importance of planning. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care. Stay safe.